creative minds, welcome back to our Trello series. Today we're taking a deep dive into one of the most powerful features of Trello, the cards. These little guys are building blocks for your project management. Let's master them together and take your organizational skills to the next level. You've got your Trello board set up. Now it's time to fill it with cards. Cards in Trello are where the tasks and ideas milestones live. They're incredibly versatile and easy to use. To add a card, simply click on Add a Card under the list. Type in a brief description of your task or idea. For instance, let's add script writing under the to-do list. Just like that, you started organizing your project. But there's more to a card than just a title. Click on one to open it. Here you can add a little more detailed description. Set a due date, attach files, and even add a checklist. This is where you can get into the nitty-gritty of your tasks. Labels are a fantastic way to organize your tasks. You can use color or create custom labels like urgent or editing or idea. Prioritize your tasks by dragging and dropping cards within a list or along different lists. Remember, the key to effective card management is updating them regularly. As you progress with your task, move your card along the list from to do, to doing, to finally done. This gives you a clear visual of your project's progress. And there you have it. Trello cards are simple yet powerful tools to keep your project organized and on track. Experiment with them. Find what works best for your workflow and watch your productivity soar. Next up in our series, we'll explore how to use Trello's lists to create a seamless workflow. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe for more Trello tricks. Share your experience with Trello cards in the comments below. I'd love to hear how they're helping you. Keep organizing and keep creating.